How's it going, everyone? So as you all know, we've all been on lockdown for the past 2 months. And right now, some places are slowly starting to open up again. So we are slowly going back to normal. But during this quarantine, I feel many people, myself included, have relapsed to old habits, bad habits. There are many things I should have avoided, or at least limit my time with. I've been on the internet a lot, just watching videos. I've been watching videos, browsing around, even late at night. I am a guy, so of course I'm gonna be watching some good K-dramas and anime.
Gotcha, man.
So yeah, I should have avoided things like that. Just staying late at night doing that, or just be on the internet too much. And speaking of that, that's more of my lazy self, because I tend to be sleeping a lot or just lying down doing nothing, and my lazy self takes over even when I try to get myself to be more productive.
Hey, get up. Hey, get up. Stop being lazy. Get up, man.
I don't want to get up. Another thing I should have avoided is just overreacting, because there's many misconceptions of how this thing actually works and no one really knows the truth. But there's this part of me that tends to be scared and overreact. Oh my god, 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 oh my germs. What the hell are you doing? You know that everyone outside is coughing, right? The moment they cough, corona germs come out. The moment we open the door, all the germs fly in. So we have to disinfect everything. Oh my god. You know that's not how the COVID germs work, right? It doesn't just fly everywhere. It smells like bleach everywhere. Of course I'm gonna use bleach. That's gonna kill the COVID germ, the COVID bacteria. That's what the US president said. If anything's gonna kill us, the bleach will. Why don't you wear a mask? I'm at home, why do I need to wear a mask? You'll thank me later. I saved your life. Stop overreacting. Stop being ungrateful. Oh my god. Yeah, stay away from bleach. It's pretty strong. And speaking of the president, since he is always on the news, we should avoid the news. Oh my god. The US president called it the Chinese virus. That means we're all infected. And everyone else is going around being Asians. So surely he must be right. We gotta beat this virus. Is that what you want? You want injured people on your hands? So avoid the news, or at least limit your time with the news, because we do need updates on this. There's already a lot of anxiety going out there, and since the news is always talking about COVID and how many people are dying or how many cases out there, it only gets to our heads and makes us more anxious, building up that anxiety. Another thing I should have really avoided was procrastinating. I still had some work to do, but I was always like, I'll do it later, and I end up lying around for hours before I start. And that goes back to work habits, whether in school or the workforce, because procrastinating always slows you down. So those are some things I should have avoided, but there were things that kept me going. So working out was something that really helped me keep going during this lockdown, because it helps me think better when I start off with a workout every day. Also, I'm able to sweat all the toxins, so I feel really refreshed. And in that case, I'm boosting my immune system, so it'll keep me healthy and it'll protect myself from any type of bacteria. So in the case of getting this virus, I'll be ready to fight it off. That's why I believe exercise is beneficial to everyone. Another thing that helped me keep going, at least for my mental state, was learning my vocab, my daily vocab for languages. Because this helps me script out my day, as I have a daily quota to keep me going, keep me learning, getting smart every day, and also you're building on a new skill. So I believe everyone should learn something new, like languages. It helps you keep an open mind as well as you keep learning. And another thing is practicing cooking, because when you're locked out at home and restaurants are closed, you can't really eat out. So the next best thing is to eat homemade stuff. And when you practice cooking, you learn more about nutrition, you learn how to make all these different dishes, and that way you build a skill as well. And also, as you learn about nutrition, you will help build up your immune system and help fight off any type of bacteria. My name is Carrick. Let me know in the comments what you think you should avoid, and also let me know what kept you going during quarantine, because it is rough times and it's hard for everyone to stay strong. I know that for a fact. Stay safe out there, stay healthy, and stay away from bleach.